ladies and gentlemen, Union Pacific. Auto racks and double stacks. I forgot to get the engine number though. If you notice, there's two tracks sitting there. These tracks split. One runs east and the other one, I'm not real sure where it runs to. That train snuck up on us though. And we got another one coming from this second track. He's way on back. He might be about 5 miles up. Maybe 4 by now. I've been here, I know, at least 30 to 45 minutes waiting. I did talk to a local here. He said that the trains come through about every 15 to 20 minutes. I know I've been here at least 40 minutes. I did catch an Amtrak. We may throw it on this video as well. We got a DPU, ladies and gentlemen, DPU. Is headed towards El Paso. And it shouldn't be but about 10 minutes before the next one, maybe 30 minutes, 15 minutes before that next one gets up here. These two tracks though, they split right and they run together right up here. If you look over to the right hand side, you'll see where they come together right there. speeds, 1 DPU, and nothing on the end, ladies and gentlemen. Give me a few minutes and we should have another one here. Why? Because there's always more. Alright guys, he paused for about 10 minutes. He done give his double horn for pulling forward. Here he comes, left hand side. Stickman, if you want to look around to the left and get a nice good view of the headlights coming. Better hurry, car. This one will definitely be a slow moving train on account of he's just starting up. Now he's coming from the Dallas area. The outside tracks is coming from San Antonio, the San Antonio area, or direction anyway. I'm going to elevate you a little bit. Train, ladies and gentlemen, trainers, tankers, and more. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. He's on his way into El Paso. Now I was thinking next time I'm definitely going to try and remember to bring my 9-foot pole. That way we can get more like an aerial view. Maybe. But we're going to hang out here for just a bit, see if we can catch another one, maybe coming out of El Paso. If not, well, we'll see you on the next go around. Thanks for watching. There might be more. Alright guys, check this out. Here in Sierra Blanca, Texas, we got us 2 trains, maybe an Amtrak. I'm not sure if we caught that or not. But if you look over to the right hand side, the sun is going down. I am on my e-bike, so I'm going to cruise on back to the truck.